at the New Omega Boat Ride 2013. It's going to be live on Cleve. You got to mess with New Omega as the host chapter. We here with Miss Blue. She run Norristown. It's all good. Say hello to the people. Mr. Blue, we bring it to you live. We at the New Omega Certified Boat Ride 2013 host chapter. It's official at the Leadership Conference. They just announced the date. It's all good. I already got my hotel room. All the bros from Road Chapter, Tall Chapter, all the chapters I was at. I know you're gonna be here. Oopsalon, we got Oopsalon right there. Oopsalon 70. He's getting his grub on. Child, we about to party so hard. You see this shirt? I might come out of it from what happened at the Delta Centennial. Hey! See our eyes in the house. New news in the house. Beta chapters in the house. Eat pies in the house. Shady PG is in the house. Westchester QB is in the house. We got Philly Ducks in the house. Whoa, hold up, CNN coming in.
What's up, baby? Outside. Spring 75.
Spring 75. Old school. Damn. See what I'm saying? That's what happens in Philly. See ya, brotherly love. We got Buzz at 75. Steve Oakman. Last Boston. We Omega's up in the house. There we go. See, I'm connected to the host chapter. That was Philly Duck. And that was Steve Oakman right there. It's going down. Get your ticket now for the 2014 boat ride. Because you know, New Omega's having a boat ride for the Clave. It's going to be crazy. Tickets going to be $200. We only want the bride.